Hello, boys and girls, and welcome back because today is day 4 of our word analysis on our week 5 story. So, you think you want to be president, and we are talking about that suffix ly and how it changes the meaning of our words when we add it to the end. And let's go back and revisit the last few words that we have. And we're going to go ahead and start with daringly. Now, just as we've done this week, talking about how important it is to identify that root word first with any unfamiliar word that we come to, decoding, breaking it down. What is that root word? So here it is daring. The meaning of daring is adventurous or bold. That was a daring move that you made riding your bike yesterday. Now, when we add the suffix ly, our meaning changes. It becomes in a daring manner, boldly, fearlessly, courageously. Have you noticed that all of these new words here that are in the definition, they also end in ly? There might be something to that. But let's carry on because I have a slide I'm going to share with you at the end that I hope will make things a little bit clearer. I had to do some research and make sure I was right, but I'm going to share that with you in a minute. Let's look at this one, effectively. All right, here's our next one. Remember, we have to break it down and find out what that root word is. Are you with me? Do you think you know what it is? Absolutely, you are so correct. It is effective. Now, the meaning of effective is successful in producing a desired or an intended result. Okay? The effective, or I was effective in cleaning my house today, which means I got the desired result I wanted. My house was clean, finally. Okay? Now, the new meaning when we add that suffix ly is that something is done in an effective manner. Okay? And so, again, if you notice, it changes. All right? We're changing it in a way that is something that is done when we add that ly. Okay? And like I said, I'm going to share something with you that I'm hoping will help you out. Now, you're still studying these spelling words. We're on day 4. Our test is tomorrow. I know you're prepared. So let's look at this last word. Our last word is attractively. Again, what do you think your root word is going to be? Absolutely attractive. Ms. McCory knows that all of the 4th graders at MES are an attractive bunch of boys and girls. All right, so the meaning here of attractive is someone or something that is pleasing to look at, or it can even be a pleasing sound or a pleasing taste, believe it or not. Okay, when we add that suffix ly, it changes to having an attractive appearance. Okay, so now here's this last slide that I wanted to add after I did a little bit of checking. When we did prefixes, each prefix had a different meaning that it brought to changing the root word. So let's go back and revisit something very quickly. And I'm hoping this helps. You can use this PowerPoint, you can use this slide to go back as a reference if you ever have any questions or if you ever get stuck. Now, the ly is a suffix that a suffix forming adverbs from adjectives. So most of those root words that we looked at before we added the ly, if you notice those, they were all adjectives before. Adjectives are our describing words. We use those to help with description. Now, if I need to refresh your memory, which I thought maybe I could, was an adverb is a word that modifies or changes an adjective, a verb, or even it can change another adverb. And it expresses a relation of a place, a time. O, in a manner, a cause or degree. How many times did I show you or tell you in the manner of something? So here's an example that I gave you that is not a spelling word. I'm going to let you look at this one on your own. I used it as sad. The feeling of sorrow or unhappy is the meaning of sad. Adding that ly, which is sad, is an adjective. We use it to describe. An adverb, it becomes, after I add ly, and then the new word becomes sadly. All right, that's going to wrap up our word analysis for this week. Study for your test, and I will see you next week for a whole new group of words. Bye-bye for now.